Ang dahilan kung bakit hindi naaprubahan yung budget ng LGU ng UWAS kasi wala pa namang aaprubahan yung Sangguniang Bayan. To give you a story, as of today, wala pang sinasubmit ang local chief executive na budget proposal. So wala kaming aaralin. Opo, ang nakalagay po sa guidelines natin, it should be submitted not later than October 16.
Okay.
However, kasi may mga preliminaries before budget could be prepared. Number one would be the Local Development Investment Program and then the Annual Investment Program. Siguro dahil sa kakulangan din ng staff, yung municipal planning through the Local Development Council, nag-submit ng Local Development Investment Program for the year 2023 to 2028, last December 2 pa lang. Tapos, may mga katanungan siyempre yung Sangguniang Bayan. We have to remember and respect that the Sanggunian's role is to assure that these investment programs are sound in relation dun sa vision and objectives of the municipality. And unfortunately, the Local Development Investment Program was disapproved on 3 points. Number one, it does not contain the forms required by the guidelines in the formulation of the Local Development Investment Program. Number two, there was no way for us to determine if the process was followed. And number three, the content. Napag-usapan naman na to between the executive and the legislative, and as of the moment, both chamber, the executive and the legislative, is working hard to collaborate to firm up a sound local development investment program. Ang LDIP po kasi ang pinag-uumpisahan para makagawa ng annual investment program. Tapos from the annual investment program, dun po gagawa ng budget. It is reenacted based on the 2022 budget. If you could remember, nagkaroon din kami ng reenacted budget that was 2021. So, naipon yon, napapunta ron sa 2022. So, there was an escalation of the appropriation last fiscal year 2022. Na-approve namin yung 22 budget last August 22, 2022.
Okay.
So, yun yung ginagamit na budget ngayon.